Okay, what I've got behind me is the golden orb web weaving spider, an Australian native spider that grows to the size of your hand, and she can catch anything from small insects right up to small birds and bats. An amazing spider that lives in and around the east coast of Australia. She only lives for 3 months. After 3 months, she dies. The reason I'll say she is because the females are the only ones that grow to that size. The males only ever grow to the size of a 10-cent piece. Amazing animal, native spider. You've all heard of the funnel web, the redback. Have a look at this baby. She's beautiful.